Give me a few minutes, I changed your mind. Totally asterisk. After years of anticipation and countless rumors among riding communities, the 2026 Honda Magna has captured the attention of cruiser lovers and performance riders alike. Once an iconic cruiser, in the 1980s and 1990s, the Magna name is rumored to make a powerful comeback in 2026, with a bold new design and cutting-edge engineering that promises to honor its heritage while redefining what a modern muscle cruiser can be. Legacy of the Magna nameplate. To understand the excitement around the 2026 Magna, you need to appreciate its roots. The original Honda Magna was introduced as a V4 cruiser that blended smooth power delivery with cruiser comfort, a rare combination that made it stand out from other bikes of its era. Its legacy of performance, style, and rider-friendly nature laid the groundwork for enthusiasts to hope for a future revival. Asterisk, a bold new vision for 2026 asterisk. The 2026 model marks a dramatic evolution from classic Magna lines. According to early coverage, Honda has reimagined the Magna as a contemporary muscle cruiser. This bike is built not just to look powerful, but to embody that power in its performance and presence on the road. From the way it sits on its wheels to the aggressive stance and sculpted bodywork, the Magna creates a sense of energy even when it's stationary. Engine and performance expectations. At the heart of the 2026 Honda Magna is a high-output V4 engine, believed to displace around 1,098 cc, a size that echoes the big-bore classics, but with modern technology and engineering. Early reports suggest this new V4 is designed to deliver a combination of robust low-end torque and strong top-end power, attributes that make the bike responsive in city traffic and confident on the open highway. While official horsepower and torque figures are still emerging, enthusiasts are already calling this engine a potential game-changer for the power cruiser category. Transmission and ride dynamics paired with a modern gearbox, most likely. A smooth shifting 6-speed, the Magna's powertrain is expected to be both responsive and refined, offering crisp up and down shifts, whether navigating urban streets or cruising at highway speeds. The bike's chassis is designed to balance stability with agility, giving riders confidence to lean into corners without sacrificing control. Early impressions indicate that this focus on handling could set the Magna apart from more traditional cruisers that emphasize straight-line comfort over dynamic cornering. Asterisk, design and ergonomics. Muscle needs comfort asterisk. The 2026 Magna's visual design merges muscular aesthetics with ergonomic comfort. Its sculpted fuel tank, wide handlebars, and strong tail profile give it an assertive look that riders expect from a performance cruiser. At the same time, the seating position is crafted for comfort, upright but relaxed, making it suitable for both short rides and longer journeys. The overall figure respects the Magna's cruiser heritage, while not feeling outdated or retro for retro's sake. Chassis, suspension, and handling. Underneath its bold exterior, the 2026 Magna likely carries a chassis engineered for balanced handling. Speculation from early reviews suggests a suspension setup that is tuned for a confident road feel. Firm enough to inspire spirited riding, yet compliant enough for everyday use. This blend is critical for a bike positioned as a muscle cruiser. It must be at ease carving through backroads and comfortable on long highway stretches. Asterisk, braking and rider safety asterisk. Strong performance demands confident braking, and the 2026 Honda Magna doesn't disappoint. Early previews point to a high-performance braking system that gives riders strong stopping power with predictable modulation. Combined with modern safety features, such as traction control, ABS, and possibly selectable ride modes, these systems are designed to boost rider confidence across diverse riding conditions and speeds. Modern technology needs cruiser heritage unlike the classic Magnas of old, which were known for their mechanical simplicity. The 2026 Magna looks to embrace modern motorcycle technology. Riders can expect a digital instrument cluster that provides essential data like speed, gear position, fuel level, and ride mode selection at a glance. Integrated electronics such as ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and ABS are increasingly standard in this segment and are anticipated here as well, giving riders both convenience and control without overwhelming complexity. Asterisk comfort, ergonomics, and everyday use asterisk. One of the core strengths of the Magna lineage has always been its comfortable riding position and long-distance usability. Early commentary on the 2026 model suggests that Honda has kept this philosophy alive, blending a relaxed cruiser posture with rider-friendly ergonomics that make long rides feel less fatiguing. The seat design, handlebar placement, and footpeg alignment all contribute to a ride that's enjoyable whether you're commuting or touring. Fuel efficiency and practicality. While performance is a headline feature, practical usability plays a role too. Muscular cruisers like the Magna aim to offer a balance between spirited riding and everyday efficiency. Although specific fuel economy figures for the 2026 model aren't finalized, Honda's engineering typically ensures that power and efficiency coexist, making the Magna a bike that's not only exciting to ride, but sensible for regular use. Anticipated market impact. The return of the Honda Magna could shake up the cruiser segment, particularly the muscle cruiser niche. Bikes like this fill a space between traditional cruisers and sportier machines, appealing to riders who want powerful performance without sacrificing comfort and style. The buzz generated by early coverage suggests that the Magna's comeback isn't just nostalgia. It's a strategic move by Honda to compete with new generation cruisers while honoring a beloved nameplate. Asterisk conclusion. A modern classic in the making. Asterisk in the end, the 2026 Honda Magna promises to be more than just a bike carrying a storied name. It represents a fusion of heritage and innovation, muscular performance wrapped in commanding design, equipped with rider-oriented technology, and tailored for both everyday riders and performance enthusiasts. Whether you're drawn by its historic legacy or its bold new direction, the Magna's return is shaping up to be one of the most exciting developments in the motorcycle world for 2026. If you want, I can add a timeline breakdown for on-screen narration or adapt this into a voiceover timing script with exact time markers for visuals.